Hey guys, my name's Allison Frazee. I am a junior here at Nebraska Methodist in the traditional nursing program. I was born and raised in Omaha, Nebraska. Haven't left yet, but plan to one day. A leader that I admire is Lisa Oliveira. She's actually a therapist who uses her social media platforms like Instagram and stuff to really kind of like pioneer the idea that mental health is important and it's okay to go within yourself and ask those hard questions and reflect and just really prioritize your mental health, which is important to me and I think a really good message to spread. So yeah, I would recommend following her. Some more about me is I have a 2-year-old golden doodle. She is here with me today, which I'm kind of excited to be online this semester because I hate leaving her. But other than that, this other picture on the right is a picture of me, her, and my boyfriend Dalen. And so, yeah, I'm really looking forward to trying a class with this format. I've never had to do something like this. I feel like a lot of us haven't. So learning new things is always exciting, and I'm looking forward to getting to know all of you.